not sure whether it was really a smart thing to come here.
Good morning. So here we are in Fuerteventura. Day number 4 of my trip. It's Monday. Yeah, I had a relatively good night's sleep in this pretty basic but okay room. Yeah, I did not have breakfast yet because they don't serve it here and I don't have it with me. So I need to cycle the first 9 kilometers to Pajara and there I could get to the shop and have some get some breakfast. I did have an apple and a muesli bar, so that was fine. But the thing is that very heavy winds are expected for today, and also some rain is expected. So it's gonna be a challenging day cycling wise. At least, well, the wind is coming from a northwestern direction, so it's mostly in my back. That should not be the issue then. But if it's really gusty, then it becomes quite tricky, I think. Anyhow, let's see. Let's pack up and ride on to Pajaras for some breakfast. Howdo!
Here we go.
Feeling my way through the darkness.
Climbing here at 8, 9, 10%. I just get a real strong push in my back, which means I'm not really out of breath. Imagine if you would have this wind against you and then going up this hill. Ooh, I need breakfast.
Guided by a beating heart. I don't know where my journey will end, but I know where it starts. And tell me I'm too young to understand that I'm caught up in a dream. Life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. That's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over.
That was a breakfast with really a good view. So heading, I think, back north for a few kilometers. So this will be really heavy headwinds, and then I make a turn more south again, so the wind should be better. Whew, I really needed that breakfast. So
all this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. Wake me up when it's all over.
long and winding road.
All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. Tried carrying the weight of the world, but I only have 2 hands. I hope I get a chance to travel the world, but I don't have any plans. Wish that I could stay forever.
Okay, now it's a steep part, the headwinds. Hey, yippee!
Life's a game made for everyone, and love is be up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time
That my helmet is blowing up.
I didn't know. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and
Getting
I'm
tricky again.
older. All this time I was finding myself.
Yeah, man, it is indeed a bit tricky because I just got blown, almost got blown off my bike. So let's stay focused. And so I guess we'll be descending into La Pared, which is all the way down to sea level again from 400 something. So I had to stop for a minute because my helmet blew like this with the head. Hello, so here you are. You're sheltered from the wind. Wind is still blowing, just yeah, you hear? So yeah, I'm gonna have a small snack right now and then look on the map which way I want to go. So my original route from here is 40 kilometers. I have to see which part of that goes over paved road and which part goes over, yeah, perhaps sandy road. So with the rain that now started, let's see what I decide. I don't know yet. Over there in the distance, this is the part I want to cross. It should be really beautiful. However, it looks also a bit like there's a sandstorm going on right now, because it is all loose sand. So that's a bit my worry. Yeah, pedaling wise it should be fine because I got the wind in my back, I think. But if you're constantly in being sanded, whatever, sand blowing in your face, then it's not so nice. First I'm gonna go to the village of Pared, because apparently I'm not there yet. And I'm gonna try it, and if I don't like it, I'll go back and take the main road. How do? Soft sand I was talking about. Hello, so in the dunes right now, pretty doable. And right now I think we're at the thinnest part of the island. And all the way over there is the tip of the island, the southern tip. And I hope to go there tomorrow. Let's go for the Sandstorm. That's back to the coast. I'm gonna go that way. If I die, how do? Cycling again for a minute. Hello, so here we are in the Sahara. Someone is really strange in the middle. Operation Desert Storm. Not sure whether it was really a smart thing to come here. It is a bit tough and irritating all the sand in your eyes, but hey, it's fun as well. Woo! Something I've never experienced in my life before, so the first time for everything. Seems like I'm riding again. Oh man, this is nice as well. Oh, still tricky. It's softer than it looks. It's the highway. now for something completely different. Wow. It's raining again. Serious rain now. Yeah, now I'm glad I'm not in the mud.
In the room, now let's get a beer and some food.